So in today's session, let's start with NumPy. So can anyone let me know before I explain you what is NumPy? Yes, exactly. So every one of you, right? Basically, this NumPy is for numerical Python. So this NUM stands for numerical in this, okay, and this PY stands for Python. So these are the two things only. So basically, it says that if you want to perform numeric operation, NumPy is there. Okay, so now it is same as list, but it has different some in some cases is differs from list. Okay, so we will be seeing that such cases where it is different from list. Okay, so before moving on, let you answer me some questions. For example, if I do 3 4 5 and do plus 2 to it, so what would be the output of this command? Okay, great. Yes. So let's see the answer now and uh, see the solution for that, what I'm trying to explain. Okay. So yes, that is simple. You're trying to take a list and add an integer to that, and it will give you error. You cannot concatenate into the list. Okay. So you can make it as a list as then it would work. Okay, less simply integer would not work. And basically you see have seen that on list you cannot perform mathematical operations. Like if I take another list, my point here was, now let's take another list and try to do multiplication on top of it. What you see is some absurd results. Just it what it will do, it will duplicate the hexadecimal list if you try to multiply with that. Okay, so the point here is list is we have list with us, but that list is not capable of performing. So we already have a data structure with us, that is list, but that list is not capable of performing mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, so if you want to do that, you need to use a loop here. Okay, and then you can take one by one element and multiply that, but that is very time consuming, okay, as well as resource consuming. So to rescue this, we have NumPy for us. Okay, that is numerical Python. Okay, great. So let's recap what we have understood up till now. So it is collection of, so what list does is it is collection of all the values. Okay, so before answering that, this the okay, so you have on that screen, no problem. It handles, it is powerful, it is collection of values. Okay, whole different data types, we have seen this also. We can add, change or remove anything in a list need for the data science. Okay, now for data science we need mathematical operations over collections. So if you have, okay, so I was saying that yes, if you want, if you have an array of multiple integers and you want to do addition and subtraction for that, then you can use NumPy, and basically it is also used for a speed. So it does parallel computing for you, and you will have a very great speed while doing NumPy instead of list. Okay, so for example, this is a list, this is a list of weight. Okay, you can not do something like this in the list. Basically here you can do something that is called as NumPy. Okay, so alternative to Python list, calculations over entire array. These are some of the major points. Okay, so you have this PPT also, so you don't need to note down anything. Easy and fast installation is very easy. Okay, yes, also like someone asked me, um, how to check whether a numpy is installed or not. You can just try using import numpy, and if it doesn't throw any errors and the cell get run, you have numpy installed. Okay, or else you can do this simple command pip3 install numpy.